The makeup artist who designed these iconic looks for Melania Trump has created a lipstick kit called First Lip. I couldn't wait to buy it and try it, hoping to bring a bit of the First Lady's glamour from the White House to my house. I ordered the First Lip kit about 7 weeks ago, and when I called the company to find out what was taking so long, they said they had been overwhelmed with orders and they had a bit of a backlog. But it's finally here on my doorstep, and I can't wait to open it up and try it and share my honest review with you. Unboxing this felt like opening a present. There's a nice red pouch. You open it up, and inside is your gift. It's made in America, and I really like that. You open it up, and as promised, we've got 3 products: a lipstick, a lip pencil, and a lip gloss. Let's go try it out. Okay, so obviously I'm not a beauty influencer or a professional makeup artist or anything like that. I'm just a customer putting this lipstick on, and I'm going to start out like I usually do with the lip pencil. Here goes. Wow, that goes on really nice and smooth, and I love the color. Okay, so what looked like lipstick in the box was actually the lip gloss. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's go on with the lipstick, which is actually a very fat lip pencil, and fill in the lip using this beautiful pink color. Wow, it goes on so easy and it feels so good. And I'm pretty sure I've seen this color on the First Lady. And finally, here is the lip gloss. And like I said, it looked like it might be the lipstick, but it isn't. You just twist it open. There's an applicator. And you add some shine. I like to only put it on the bottom lip, but that's me. And there. I love it. One more thing about the lip gloss. It has a really nice minty flavor. So that's my honest review of First Lip, 3 products for $90. Now, the quality is comparable to what I might expect from a high-end makeup brand, so overall I'd say it's a pretty good value, and I'm happy that I bought this product. Also, I'm Slovenian American, and like the First Lady, I have that fair-haired Slavic coloring that doesn't really look good in a bold red lipstick. So I'm happy to find this bold pink color, and I think I'm going to wear it a lot. If you'd like to know more about Melania Trump's childhood and how she started her modeling career back in her home country of Slovenia, watch my video right here on YouTube, and please subscribe so you don't miss my fun travel videos from all over the world. Thanks for watching, and don't be a stranger.